Today on Max Sandy Gadgets, we're making a delicious Southwestern style ham and egg sandwich with cheese. So let's get started. Alright, for the main ingredients to make our delicious Southwestern style ham and egg sandwich with cheese, we have 6 nice slices of smoked ham. It's going to be a lot of ham on there. And over here we have 3 nice large eggs. And in the middle here we have a nice Italian sub roll that we're going to slice in half and lightly toast. And back here we have a red bell pepper that we're going to probably use a quarter of. And we have a green bell pepper that we're going to probably use a quarter of. And we have about a half a cup of cheddar cheese and about a half a cup of mozzarella cheese. And back here we have a nice medium-sized onion that we're probably going to use like a quarter of it. Chop it up, you know. And for the seasonings, we have a quarter teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of black pepper, quarter teaspoon of onion powder, quarter teaspoon of garlic powder, a quarter teaspoon of smoked paprika, a half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, that ought to kick it up a notch, and 1 teaspoon of parsley flakes. Okay, let's put some of this aside. And we'll go ahead and slice our roll right in half. It's a nice Italian sub roll here. Just go ahead and slice that right in half. Just like that. Now we're going to lightly toast this to make our sandwich, but let's put it aside for now. Now we're going to go ahead and slice up our nice ham. It's smoked ham, and there's 6 slices there, and we're going to use our aceti knife. Oh, you know what? Let's go ahead and sharpen it again. And we're going to use our any sharp knife sharpener. This thing is still working good, and when it fails, guys, we'll let you guys know. And we've been using this for over 2 years now, so let's put it down here on this cutting board, and I'm going to have to hold it down because it won't stick to this type of material, but your countertop it will. So let's just go ahead and pull our knife through there 3 times. Okay, we'll put this aside, and we'll go ahead and slice up our nice ham. About nice chunks like this. Now you could cut them again, but I'm not. We're going to leave them that size. It'll be the perfect size for that sandwich. Alright, and that is a really sharp knife. And that knife sharpener is really a good handy gadget to have in the kitchen for sharpening your knives in a pinch, right? It really works good. Okay, let's go ahead and put our ham on a plate. Here's all our nice ham, all sliced up. Okay, that looks good. Let's put that aside. Alright, now we're going to take a medium-sized onion, and we're probably only going to use a quarter of it, so we'll cut that in half. And we'll go ahead and slice that up to about a quarter there. Okay, and we'll put this aside. And chop these up. Okay, that looks pretty good. And we'll put them in a bowl. And we'll put our onions aside for a minute. Now we're going to slice up a nice green bell pepper. Cut that right in half. Okay. Now we'll go ahead and slice that up. Probably only going to use a quarter of a green bell pepper. Okay, we'll put this aside. And we'll chop these up. And we'll put them in a bowl with our onions. Okay, let's put these aside for now. And we'll slice up our nice red bell pepper. Now these are the seedless kinds. No, I'm just kidding with you. I take the seeds out because it makes it easier to slice up. Especially on camera. We'll probably use a quarter of this. Put this aside. And we'll put them in a bowl. Okay, there's our red and green bell peppers and onions all sliced up nice. Let's put these aside. And we don't need our cutting board anymore, so let's take that away. Alright, now we're going to take a nice sized bowl. And we're going to crack some eggs in there. Hey, what's that shell doing in there? Let's get him out of there. And to our eggs, we're going to add a little bit of milk. It's about an ounce of milk. Put that in there. And we're going to add all our nice seasonings. Put them in there. Now we're going to go ahead and beat them up, right? Okay. Let's just go ahead and mix them up good. Okay, that looks pretty good. Okay, there's our egg all mixed up. Now all we have to do is start cooking. So let's do that. Alright, and today to make our delicious Southwestern style ham and egg sandwich, we're using a nice non-stick pan here today, and we're going to set our burner to medium. And today we're using a high smoke point oil, peanut oil. Put that in there. Alright, now we're going to take our nice green and red bell peppers and onions and put them right in there. And let's go ahead and fry them up. Now we don't want to cook them so soft that they kind of fall apart. We want to keep them just a tad bit crunchy. They smell wonderful. I don't know what it is with peppers and onions, but when they get together, they smell really good when they're cooking. Okay, let's move these to one side. And we'll take our nice ham and we'll put them right in there. And we'll go ahead and fry them up. We don't want to overcook them because they're already cooked. We're just trying to warm them up good and give them a little flavor. Now it's smoked ham, so it really is going to taste good. Like I said, we're just trying to warm this up. Alright, that looks pretty good. Let's get them out of there. Put them on a plate. There's our ham all warmed up nicely. Boy, does that smell good. All right, let's put this aside for now. Now we're going to set our burner to medium-low. And we're going to take our nice egg mixture. Now don't forget to beat this up a little. Give it a good mix. Get all them seasonings and everything mixed in again. Okay, and we're going to pour that right in there. All right, now we want to kind of soft scramble these. We don't want to traditionally scramble them, but we want to make them like into ribbons like this. See it? Just like that. Boy, does that smell good. Now we can mix in our peppers and onions really good. And this is getting to be almost done here. Now what you're doing here is you're trying to make it fit your bun that we toasted. See it? It'll fit right on there. Almost. It's pretty big. Now we're going to take our mozzarella cheese and we're going to put that right on there. Now that's a little over a half a cup there, so plenty of cheese. And we're going to take some of our cheddar cheese and put that on there. Yep, it's going to be cheesy, guys. Wow, let's see if we can get it all on there. Okay, I like to pat it down a little. And we're going to take our ham and put that on top. Now we're going to take a little more of our cheddar cheese and put that on top of there. Yep. And a little more of our mozzarella cheese, put that on top. Okay, kind of mash that down. And we'll go ahead and put our lid on and let our cheese get nice and melted. Okay guys, let's check our cheese. Oh wow, look at that. That is huge, and that's loaded with cheese, loaded with ham, and it's definitely loaded with eggs and peppers and onions. So I can't wait to have a taste of this. This is really going to taste good. But first, I like to put a little salt on, and a little bit of pepper, tiny bit of garlic powder, a little bit of smoked paprika, and a little bit of parsley flakes. Alright guys, there it is. Boy, does that look good. Now I can't wait to have a taste of this. Now all we have to do is put that on a really, really big sub roll that I should have bought. But this will fit, I think. Okay, let's put that on the roll and have a taste test. Okay guys, here it is. Look at that. You think we can get that on that sub roll? Well, let's find out. We'll skid that right out of here. Just like this. Wow, guys, that is huge. I can't see the sub roll. It's under there somewhere. Okay, let's put the top bun on. Look at the amount of ham on there. Okay. Guys, I think this is the biggest one I made yet. It's huge. Let me see if I can spin it so you can see it. Can you see that sandwich? That is just huge. Well, there you have it, guys. Our delicious Southwestern style ham and egg sandwich with plenty of cheese, plenty of ham, plenty of red and green bell peppers and onions, and this is loaded with flavor. This is really going to taste good, and it has a little kick to it with the red pepper flakes in there. This is really, really going to taste good. I just know it is. It smells wonderful. I just can't wait to have a bite. So let's cut this in half and see how we did. All right, guys, let's cut it in half. Look at the cheese coming out of there. Can you see it? All right, let's try to pick this big boy up and see if I can get my jaws wrapped around here. Oh, wow. Can you see it? Look at the amount of cheese and ham in there. And look at the egg. Okay, let's just go ahead and have a bite. I can't wait. Mmm. Is that good? Alright, guys, this is about the biggest sandwich I think I've made on this type of a bun. But let me tell you, half of that will feed one person. So you make one of these, it'll definitely feed two people. Yes, it will. Alright, guys, you know what'll go good with this since we're having this for a nice lunch? I know you guys already guessed this. We're going to have a nice cold wobble pop with this. Yeah, it really does sound good. Alright, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Delicious Southwestern style ham and egg sandwich with plenty of cheese, plenty of ham, and it's loaded with flavor. Not to mention 3 nice eggs. That's what's for lunch today. And that really does sound good. Boy, this is so good, I just have to have another little bite. Look at the cheese coming out of there, guys. You're gonna love these.